today they're currently working on the garage to get it up, and the carpenters are going to do all the exterior work on the garage, and then I'm going to take over and do everything interior of the garage. So that means that I'm probably going to be working here for quite some time during the winter and the beginning of spring, which is going to be fun. This is going to be the new studio space. It is 50 square meters, which is approximately the same as our current apartment. It's kind of weird to think when you're standing here that we've been living in something about this size for the last 5 years. We're just waiting on the takstolar to get the roofing done. It's going to be incredibly fun to see this come to life. So the garage came with 2 doors or 2 ports, whatever, however you want to call it. I am not going to use this as a garage per se, so it's going to be unnecessary for me to have both of these. It also came with the garage doors, and I'm not going to be able to use those because those are this thin. So if my calculations are correct, then this door is going to be looking very good, and then I'm going to build this door shut. And I hope it's going to work, but I don't know. Here we go. Yo, do you see this? I'm shooting at ISO 409,000. And like for my eyes, it's pitch black, but I can see a lot of light coming from over there. We sealed it shut with the outdoor drywall, and now we're just gonna put these things on here as well. Almost 10 o'clock. Been working since 4 p.m. Gonna call it quits for today. We're done. sorry, this is incredibly dirty. So I got a garage door coming, and I ordered this 8-10 weeks ago, and I have no idea, as of yet, if it's going to fit. I just ordered from the measurements on the specs of the garage. Amanda is coming to the house today, and it's actually going to be the first time that she's seen the house and the garage in real life. The last time she was here was when the concrete slab was like in place, but she hasn't seen the actual house. It's going to be fun to see her reaction. Hej!
Filmar mig nu också.
Ja, det är din första reaktion här. Välkommen till huset. Hur känns det att se det då?
Spännande. Roligt. Fin dörr vi har.
Ja. Får se vad du tycker om huset här nu då. Se om du känner samma som jag.
Där ska gå och sätta sig.
Ja.
Hejdå!
Is it Amanda approved?
Yes, it is.
Bye bye!
Bye.
Bye bye, hejdå! You got this, Peter. Come on. There we fucking go. Shit. Whew. I think it turned out good. Frosted windows so I can't see inside. But still get the daylight coming in, va? I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like it's warm in here, but it is not. Not yet. Soon, I hope.